Want to boost your sales? With this quick setup, we can help your top performing products be your priority. Let's set up a bestseller rule in a few easy steps. First, click on the Feeds option in the menu bar. This will open up your list of export feeds. Now go ahead and click on Rules. You'll see an option to add a new rule by clicking on the plus sign. Once that's done, let's give it a name like Bestsellers Only. Go ahead and type that in, then hit the Create button. Next, you'll see an If section. This is where we define when the rule applies. From the drop-down, select Insights and then choose Segmentation. A note: this option will only be available if you add the Insights package added to your core plan. Now, next to that, select Is Not Equal To, and then under that, choose Stars. This will ensure that the rule excludes any items that don't meet your top performing criteria. Moving on to the Then section. Here, select all fields and then set it to Exclude. This way, only your best-selling items will be eligible. Once you've set everything, you're almost done. Click the Save Rule button at the bottom to lock it in. And that's it. Click on Selected Items. This shows your top-performing items. With this information, you can budget more effectively to maximize your revenue. Follow us for more content, so you can learn more tips and tricks or gain insights about e-commerce. Or go to Channable.com to learn more.